Ang Pi Sigma ay isang samahan na pagtitibayin ka, pagbubuklo rin ang inyong prinsipyo mula sa kabataan. I know there are other frats also, but for me, this is the best.
Ako po si Jun Baon.
Noel Silan.
Dan Perwelo Calica.
Michael Pangilinan.
Eugenio Angeles Alcanzare.
Jamie Rabales.
Robert Zambilio.
Emilio Aguinaldo.
Manix Guzman.
Matatandaan na noong dekada 90, ginawa ang mga leadership training seminars para sa mga residente.
In Pi Sigma, especially since many of us rose to become student leaders, we made it a point to gather the brads and study current issues. Hindi lang yung mga nangyayari sa loob ng eskwelahan, kundi yung nangyayari sa bansa. As true leaders, kailangan pag-aralan yon, no? So isa yon, yung pagkakaroon ng mga educational sessions. And this was formalized in later years when we held official leadership training seminars for the resident officers ng mga chapters.
Of course, the Pi Sigma fraternity strives first and foremost to advocate for students' rights and welfare. And then we are also helping out our respective members in coping with our academic and other family concerns here in the university. You know, a lot of our members are also from the provinces. So when they're here in UP Diliman, the fraternity serves as their home or family.
Sa panahong ito rin, ginawa ang First National Directory at higit na lumawig ang ating kapatiran sa mga paaralan, komunidad, law school at medical schools.
I'm Michael Pangilinan. They call me Mike. I'm from Aquinas University in Legazpi. I think the most significant thing for me is that it really strengthened my fiber as a person. I joined the frat in 1980 at the time when basically in the Bicol region, it was just 2 years old. So we had a lot of struggles. And as the frat grew, we also became better and stronger men, young men at the time. And decades after now, looking back, I've seen also my development mostly anchored on the ideals of the frat. Kung sa Tagalog, ito yung pinagtibay ng panahon. And I'm very grateful to have selected the right frat, okay? And I'm proud of where I am now.
Taong 1997, nang tumuntong tayo sa ika-25th anniversary, marami ang pagbabagong naganap matapos ang madilim na yugto ng ating kapatiran. Umusbong ang sigla sa lahat na naghatid ng mga bagong oportunidad gaya ng pagkakaroon ng kauna-unahang frat ID, ang 4th PSFAA National Debate Tournament na siyang naging susi upang itatag ang Paragon of Scholarship Foundation. Idinaos din ang ating ika-5 kondensyon kung saan opisyal na nagrehistro ang Pi Sigma Incorporated. Sa dekada ring ito, higit na inilawan sa puso at kaisipan ng bawat kapatid ang layunin na paglingkuran ng sambayanan sa pamamagitan ng serbisyo publiko. Serbisyo sa bawat Pilipino, matatag na pagninegosyo, pangangalaga sa kalikasan at pagsulong ng kultura at edukasyon.
Pi Sigma fraternity has two twin principles. We would like to believe that by serving the people, we do very socially relevant projects, help develop our country to be a better one for all Filipinos, not only for students. Secondly, we are also students and part of the young population in our country. So we also try to advocate those students' rights and welfare. But the bigger picture is that we are trying to build a better society.
Ako si Noel Silan. May panahon, ilang taon yun. Nandun ako sa kabundukan, kabukiran, karagatan ng Mindanao. Bibigay ako ng leadership program para sa mga PTA officers, mga magsasaka, mga isda, mga LGU officers. Binibigay ko yun, halos walang bayad. Malayo. Pero ang driving force nun ay yung prinsipyo ng kapatiran. paglingkuran ng sambayanan, pagiging scholar, pagiging magaling. So, ibabahagi mo yun, babahagi ko yun para sa kapatiran.
Pi Sigma lives up to its objectives regardless of where he is. So if you're a government employee, you espouse good governance. A professor, you try to foster academic excellence. If you're in a corporate setting, you espouse social responsibility.
So my message to the founders is that thank you for founding this project. Without you 8 guys, I would not have been here. And my other message is for the younger brothers. You have a lot of life ahead of you. Look up to the elders, learn from them. Okay? And I think you are in a better place now.
Sabi nga ng isang magaling namin na kapatid at ng presidente, CEO ng BCBA, si Atty. Casanova, Pi Sigma provides meaning and purpose for your life. This is the best fraternity that you can join. At para sa mga alumni, mga kapatid, maligayang ika-50 anibersaryo ng pagkakatatag ng Kapatiran Pi Sigma. Hindi natin alam pagka-graduate pala natin o pag-alis sa koleyo, Pi Sigma pa rin tayo. Ang puso, damdamin ay Pi Sigma pa rin. Walang katapusan. Hindi lang pala ito sa eskwelahan natatapos. Mabuhay ang Kapatiran Pi Sigma.